Can I really cook a chicken pot pie in my mini noodle cooker? All right, I can't believe it. I'm hungry again. Yes, I am. And my mini's empty. What does my mini look like assembled? It looks like that. All right, what am I doing? I'm practicing. This is my mini. It's low wattage cooking, so I can use it with my Goal Zero 500 when I'm out there camping. And basically, yeah, I charge my batteries with solar and use this. This way I can cook at nighttime or if there's no sunlight out. Yeah. So what am I hungry for? This is a chicken pot pie that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it's 350 calories. It looks really good. Protein 11 grams, so I'm not going to eat a lot of the crust. Most of us that live in our vehicles, we can't have a microwave oven. No siree. Okay, the ingredients do not look as bad as the last thing that I had. So that's pretty good. Lots of carbohydrates. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take it out of the box and I'm going to heat up my mini. And last thing I cooked, I could get away with just using that. But I'm thinking this is too tall for that. It's going to be too fat. Yeah, it's going to be a little too heavy or big. So this is a little bit deeper. So let me open this up and we'll put it in and we'll see if it fits. It always amazes me if it fits. But I think first thing what I should do is get it warming up. There we go. Is the little red light on? There we go. Now I got it warming up. It takes about 2 minutes to warm up and it's 221 degrees. So I'm not sure. Oh, this isn't, I don't know if I can put it in here. Well, we're going to put it in here. Oh my gosh. All right, look at that. It fits. It fits. Not really. Should I take it out of this little container? Should I take it out of this thing and cook it in my mini? It looks like it'll fit. All right, I'm going to try an experiment and I'll be back. I'm not sure if I can get it out of here. Looks like I can get it out of here and it looks like it'll fit perfectly in my mini. All right, give me a second. Give me a second. Let's see if we can do this without screwing it up. All right, I think I'm going to put in some of this spray. I get this at Costco, but I don't love it. It doesn't spray mist. Oops, there we go. Yeah, I'm just going to move that around, and I think I'm going to take some of that out of there. There's a little bit too much of that spray in there for me. Why do I keep calling it spray if it doesn't spray? All right, I just want it lightly greased, not that much grease. And I think the pot pie will fit. I don't think I want to put it in there. So what I'm going to do is flip it over and try to get it out of here. And if I get a disaster, I'll put it in there. This is partially frozen. Come on, you can come out. You want it almost out, almost out. All right, I'm going to do it very, very gently. I'll get right back to you. All right, so it came out as a gooey pie mess. And next, what I think I'm going to do is try to get that in there. Wish me luck, everybody. Wish me luck. All right, I think this is going to work out great. So I'm just going to pop that in my mini. And it's 225 right now. And let's see what the directions say. It's about time I follow the directions. Okay, conventional oven. If this was in a real oven, it would take 32 to 34 minutes. So I don't want to do that. No. So we're just starting cooking it, and I will cut back in. I think it should do very, very nice. It's nice and doughy right now. It's partially defrosted, so that's why it came out of this little thing with ease. But it's an experiment, you know, traveling on the road and going to the $1.25 tree and spending a little bit of money for lunch on something like that would really help on the budget. So we're going to see where it goes. All right, and we're at 226. All right, this may be a good thing or a bad thing. I can hear it sizzling. So I like the sound of sizzling. I do. But and I don't smell any burnt bottom yet, so that's always a good thing. But why didn't I cook this in my Hot Logic Mini? I love my Hot Logic Mini, but it probably would have taken 35 minutes for it to cook, and I'm hungry now. Of course I am. This seems to be a much faster way to cook things in the vehicle. Of course, with the Hot Logic Mini, I can just put it in and drive to wherever I want to go. With this, I do not recommend driving at all. Pull over and do your cooking that way. Okie dokie, we are at 2:30 or the 5-minute mark, so I'm not sure how it's really going in there. So I'm going to open it up and decide, should I flip it? Should I not flip it? This is the first time that I've done this, and I've never seen a YouTuber do this, so I'm not really sure how to do it. Let's see what we got going on here. The pot holder's probably overkill. So that's looking pretty good, huh? I think, yeah, it's boiled. All right, all right. So what we got a chicken pot pie that's escaping. Okay, it's not going to be able to hold itself together. I don't think it's leaking, but it leaks in those little pans too. I was just worried about that pan thing. So what I'm going to do, that bottom looks really, really good. I don't smell any burning. Can I flip it? Can I flip? What's going to happen to this? I don't know. Don't burn yourself, Terry. That would be a bad thing. All right, so I flipped it. It is a mess. It is a goo. It will be served in a bowl, but I can see the bottom's really getting nice. It's cooking up really nice. Okay, if you don't mind messy food, this is going to work out great. And we are at 2:32, so 7 minutes so far. So, why don't I like cooking anything like this in a microwave? Well, basically, most van dwellers or vehicle dwellers don't have a microwave. And even if we do, the crust never gets hard. It's never flaky. I mean, this says flaky crust made from scratch, and that's really what I want. Something flaky and delicious, and I already know microwave's not going to give it to me. The oven definitely will, and I'm not sure about the Hot Logic, but can't beat the $1.25 lunch, can I? All right, it's been 5 minutes since I flipped it, and it's a ooey gooey mess, but at this point, you know, I like the crust so far. It's been 5 minutes on this side. Let's see if we can flip it again. What do you think? Oh my gosh. You know what's funny is it's going to be delicious once it's all cooked. It really is. Maybe I need a bigger spatula. But look at that. It's very, very hot. So I'm going to cook it without the lid on for about 3 more minutes and let some of that water absorb, and we'll see how the bottom crust gets. So we are at 2:36, and I'm going to insert this, and maybe I should turn it on. All right, so we're at the safe food. We're at 200, 201. So yeah, let's poke it around over here. Yeah, as long as it's above, I think 167 or something, we're good to go, or 165. So it's perfectly done. It's perfectly done right now. All right, I'm not getting the crust that I want, but you know what? It cooked it really, really fast, and I'm going to scrape that out of the bowl. We got to turn that off. Yes, we do. Oopsie. And we'll do our scrapings. But, you know, the other thing is this is so easy to clean up, and I have a really nice hot meal right now, and I'm pretty happy. The crust looks wonderful. Let me show you. Yeah. Okay, well, it's not perfect, but you know what? I'm perfectly happy with it. My favorite thing to put on something like this is black pepper, and this is black and white peppercorn adjustable grinder. I got this at Walmart, and this is really good. There is some kick to it, so I was pretty happy with that. Usually if it's just black peppercorns, not a lot of kick. All right, bon appetit, everybody. And you know what? It's going to be delicious.